Okay, so let's see. This one, I had it, and now it's become challenging for me. Let me see if I can. Oh, we still crashed. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get this. This one I've passed, but now it's all of a sudden become very difficult to get it. I gotta do it without see, they're crashing now. Okay, so I'm gonna see if this was how I got it. Maybe I kind of forgot how I got it. That's what I'm thinking. But I gotta do it without them crashing. I did it! Yay! And see, that's level 30. Okay, level 30 on the Google Playable's Parking Garage Cars Crash game.